Hey friends, it's Gabby back in front of you. Today I'll be doing a get ready with me. I'm on a time crunch, so let's get started right now. Let me start off by saying that it is currently Wednesday. It's almost 9 o'clock and I have to go to school at like 9:20. So basically I have like 15 minutes to get ready. Today I have a meeting / interview with one of the places that I'm interning for. Hopefully it goes well. So yeah, I haven't done my skincare routine yet. If you wanna have a tutorial, like a straight tutorial, give this video a like. My skincare routine is pretty straightforward. So if you want that, let me know. I'm putting on sunscreen right now. This is from IP Can. I got the sunscreen from Riley Rose. It was on sale, but it's okay. It works well. I'm gonna go to school for the summer class, but right after that I have to go to the interview. I honestly don't know how long the class is gonna last, which is why I'm gonna dress up already. I'm kind of nervous because I don't know what to say or do. Also, just letting you know, my makeup routine is also very short since, first of all, I don't have time. Second, I'm always in a rush. And third, I don't put on a lot of makeup because my skin is very clear, I would say, which is why I barely wear makeup in general. I just don't feel like taking a lot of time to get ready because I don't go to a lot of places either. So moving on to eyeshadow, I have a really simple makeup tutorial. I still use the ColourPop Good AF palette. I only have one palette. Honestly, not much of a person who spends on makeup. Also, I'm sorry if my table is a little messy. I like cleared it up a little bit to where you guys are gonna see it. So yeah, I apologize. I'm just gonna do one color, which is Louis. I always wear the same makeup, like no matter what. For some reason, I'm just like used to the colors, which is why I use the same colors every single time. And quite honestly, I'm not really good at makeup, so I just wing it and hope for the best that it looks fine. I'm gonna add a little bit of shimmer under my eyes. As long as I look somewhat presentable, I'll be good. It's 9 o'clock, which means I have like about 10 minutes left. Moving on to eyeliner, I have Kat Von D. I did the one eye. I'm scared of the other one. I made it look worse, but we're all done there. Next we move on to the Fenty highlighter. Got Hustla Baby. I don't even know where you're supposed to put highlighter on, by the way, because I do not want to be late. I'm already marked absent, by the way. I don't even know if I'm going to be marked in if I come in, even now. Just hope for the best. Gotta put on some Vaseline first. I put on a little bit of concealer on this part of my face because I have this like red thing on my skin. I got it yesterday. I don't know what it is. Anyway, I have a lip tint from Innisfree. It's called the Vivid Cotton Ink in the shade number 10. I have like leftover lip tint on my finger, so I'm gonna dab it on my cheeks. Now we have the second to the last step, basically just spraying stuff. I have this spray for my hair. I'm almost done. Also, it's from Creme or Cream of Nature. My final step is to spray perfume. This is Demeter Pixie Dust. It smells like apples. Got it from Riley Rose as well. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like if you did. If you want to see a skincare routine, give it a like as well. I'm so sorry that I'm speaking really fast. I just speak faster when I'm like in a hurry. So yeah, I'm so sorry, but thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye!
Yeah.